Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview of our Planet Card NFTs, their purpose, how to obtain them, and how you might benefit from their use cases. If you've been using ICLight a while, then you've likely seen references to these Planet Card NFTs in different areas of the site or in our community channels. Now, I know when most people hear NFTs, myself included, there is kind of an underlying suspicion that there's no purpose or utility in whatever's being discussed. For example, a lot of the NFT activity we saw gain popularity on Ethereum had little to no real utility. On ICP, however, this is beginning to change among projects using NFTs on the IC, and with our Planet Card NFTs, there are significant valuable use cases they offer traders. Each Planet Card category offers different benefits, and some categories are more valuable than others by gauging these capabilities alone. Now, to get to this page I'm on here, you just need to select NFT under this More option at the top of the site, and here we can see a full breakdown of each of the Planet Cards. Now, the rarest and most powerful Planet Cards are at the top, and they decrease in rarity as you go down the list. The common attributes among each of the Planet Cards are an ICL airdrop, which is going to vary in quantity based on the card you have, and it's also important to note that this airdrop is only claimable once. So for cards where they're listed as airdrop claimed on NFT marketplaces like Yuku, this aspect becomes irrelevant and in theory should decrease the value of that NFT as there's no longer ICL claimable through it. All of these NFTs offer access to new features, which includes access to our pro orders and stop limits right now, as well as other features as they're developed and released in the future. Each Planet Card offers mining acceleration. Now, this benefit is extremely useful if you plan to participate in trade or liquidity mining events like the one we have going for EXE right now, as even the most common card offers a plus 15% boost. So that boost is going to mean that if you were to earn, say, 100 trade mining points for a trade you just made, you would instead earn 115. And that definitely adds up throughout the event if you continue to provide liquidity or trade on that pairing. And finally, we have creating OAMM pools at a discount. So for this benefit, the bottom 5 offer a creation discount only for the private pools, while the top 3 offer this discount on public pools as well. So if you have any of the bottom 5, that discount's only going to apply if you're making a pool in the private category here. And finally, I'm going to cover these top 2 planet cards, which are Neptune and Uranus. Both of these are extremely low quantity in existence and have the most powerful benefits. They not only offer the biggest ICL airdrop, but they have the highest mining acceleration boosts for trade and liquidity mining events, and each of the 2 has a unique benefit that none of the others has. The Neptune card has the ability to grant VIP maker status to 5 accounts, which earns those VIP makers a fee rebate when their orders get filled. This rebate is 90% of the taker's trading fee. So when a taker fills this maker's order, the VIP maker is receiving 90% of the trading fee that that person had to pay when filling it. And the Uranus card has the benefit of granting the holder a listing referrer status. This benefit refers to the ability to sponsor a trading pair that we can find as an option on the info page here. As we can see, some pairings show up as having a sponsor already, like CKBTC in the ICL pairing. This sponsorship helps to boost the pairing score, which is a system in place to help gauge the quality or trustworthiness of a pairing. So having sponsors like this can help to ensure the pairing earns or maintains a high score, and it will help to ensure that it's considered more trustworthy by the community. So it's a good way for larger traders to show their support for certain pairings or projects. Now that we've covered what the planet cards are and how you can benefit from them, I'll cover how you can obtain them if you decide that you want one. So, at the top of this NFT page, we can click this ICLighthouse Planet NFT option in blue, and it will bring us to the Yuku NFT marketplace. From here, we're able to connect with our internet identity or plug wallet in the top right, and we can scroll through the list of available planet cards on the market for sale. Now, unsurprisingly, there's really not many listing for these cards right now, as people are probably actively using them for their benefits. The trade mining benefit alone might garner enough profit from the NFT to make it more valuable to keep than it is to sell. So for rarer cards, you may have to keep an eye on this marketplace regularly to catch a listing for it. So, as we can see, the Planet Card NFTs on ICLighthouse offer some real utility to traders on the platform, and while the intrinsic value of these benefits are up to you to decide, there's no doubt that they could help to garner more profit from your activity on the platform. We hope you found this video helpful, and as always, we're available nearly 24/7 in our community channels if you ever have questions or concerns regarding this topic or the platform in general.